Tired of soggy sponges and messy countertops? The OXO Good Grips sponge holder is designed to keep your cleaning tools neat, dry, and ready to use. Holding 2 sponges, scrubbies, or steel wool pads, this compact holder fits snugly by your sink without taking up precious space. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in your daily kitchen cleanup. What sets this sponge holder apart is its thoughtful design. Open sides and ventilation holes allow air to circulate freely, speeding up drying and preventing unpleasant odors or mildew buildup. Plus, the convenient pour spout lets soapy water drain away easily, avoiding the mess that usually gathers under your sponges. 4 sturdy feet lift the holder off wet surfaces, so it never sticks or leaves marks on your countertop. I've tried plenty of sponge holders before, some with suction cups that fail, others that trap moisture and smell bad after a few days. The OXO Good Grips holder is different. It's built from durable, rust-proof stainless steel that lasts and looks great over time. When it needs cleaning, just pop it apart. The bottom plastic drain detaches easily and it's dishwasher safe. This makes maintenance effortless, saving you time and frustration. Sure, it's a bit pricier than some plastic alternatives, but the quality and convenience more than justify the cost. You get a reliable, compact solution that keeps 2 sponges organized and hygienic, right where you need them. It's perfect for busy kitchens where cleanliness and efficiency matter. If you're ready to upgrade your sink area with a smart, durable sponge holder that really works, the OXO Good Grips sponge holder is worth a look. It keeps your sponges dry, your counters clean, and your kitchen running smoothly. Try it when you're ready and see how a small change can improve your daily routine.